Hello, welcome to Tourist Guide for San Andres Island. I am Misael Ortega and I will be your guide today. First, you have to know that the island of San Andres is a tourist site to enjoy with family, friends, or partner. It's important to know what you need before going a trip to this wonderful place. For those people who plan to last 3 days or more, we have activities that they can do for in this month. Day 1, we have a walk on the beach and enjoy the waters. For Day 2, we have a diving activity, and for day 3, we have activity for tour around the island. To make in the tree is a tourist is done by plane. It's the only fast and reliable way with great comfort. The activities that can be done are Shiva right around the island, enjoy the beaches, see the blow hole and enjoy the aquarium. For a water stay, you will be accommodated at the Windmill Hotel of San Luis Hotel, both of which are near the beach. The typical foods are seafood, fish, and tropical juice from the island. The most appropriate budget is a 1,200,000 Colombian pesos, and thus you can enjoy various activities. Then, this will be all you are ready to make your trip, and I wish you the best trip ever. Thank you for much.